Hello and welcome to The Spot. Here's your homepage. If you scroll down, you'll be shown a few of the features we offer and some of the deals we offer as well. If you click the little hamburger in the top right corner, you will access the drop-down menu. One of the first things you see is your profile. Your profile will show your membership tier, how many credits you have, your upcoming deals you have redeemed, and your account information. When you click Spot, you'll be taken to the heart of our website, where all of our exclusive deals are located. Feel free to click the arrow to learn more, and if you want even more info, click on the information again. When you see a deal you like, add it to your cart. Once the deal is added, you can scroll up and click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner in order to view it. It will ask you to redeem the deal, which means you want to spend one of your credits on it or upgrade your membership to gain more credits. The membership page is where you will learn about the different tiers of memberships we offer and the perks you get for each. Check out our event calendar to stay updated with events happening throughout the month in and around DC. If you're a business and want to become a Spot partner, look at the partner page. Don't miss out on the informative blogs and spotlight posts as well. These are a great way to stay informed on what's going on in and around DC, and you dive a little bit deeper into some featured events. If you ever need to contact us, fill out a contact form so we can get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, you'll find a map on the bottom of every page displaying the spots we offer. We hope you enjoy your time on the Spot and use it to your full advantage. Keep exploring.